Hello, my teacher. My name is Maria Alejandra Moreno Fernandez. Pronunciation workshop. The sentences are: the dog is on the bed. It is a wonderful day. I am cleaning my house. My family will travel to London. The grandfather is sitting at the entrance. He wants to dance in the park. My friends are eating in the restaurant. There is a clock on the wall. The student learned the lesson. My mother likes to make cakes. Do they practice some sport? My sister likes the seafood. My parents were in a foreign country last year. The boy looked at the toys. I wake up early all days. I finished. Thank you very much.